Hey guys, Friday morning. How are you all doing? It's currently raining heavily. It has been raining since morning. Okay, so today is Friday and I'm about to do laundry since there is light. Okay, I don't know. These days, NEPA has been giving us light back to back, especially when it's raining. Okay, the last time they gave us light when it was raining, we suffered for it. Okay, we didn't have light for like 5 days. We didn't have light, so today they are giving us again, and it's raining heavily. But anyways, maybe our country is getting good. That is what we pray for. Okay, we pray for growth. So I'm going to be washing some dirty clothes I've not washed since this week, and throughout yesterday we don't have light. So since there is light, I'm going to bring my hanger inside. So keep watching, keep subscribing. Thank you so much for loving this family. Thank you for watching us. We really appreciate. Yeah, I'm supposed to go out today, but I didn't go out. I was supposed to go out and buy some stuff I'm going to use for. I want to make zobo, and I want to make tiger nut drink. Okay, zobo drink and tiger nut drink. But after prepping to go out, I didn't see my key, like my own personal key. My husband have his own. Okay, so I didn't see my own personal key, and because of that I can't possibly leave the door open. All right, and I also have appointment with my dad. My dad called me to come over to their place, okay, to my house where they stay. That's where my parents stay, so that he wants me to put him through with something, okay, on his phone. So and I was saying that if I go to his place when I'm coming back, I'll branch to the market and buy those things I want to buy before I'll come back and pick Luna from school. So, but look at me now. I didn't see my key. I used it yesterday when we came back from market though. I used that key to open the door, but I don't know where I kept the key. Like I've scattered this whole house and I didn't see the key. But maybe I'm going to see it somewhere. I don't know. The only place I want to look for, or the only place I want to search for it, is Luna's school bag and Luna's lunch bag. Okay, that's the only place I want to search for it. And I also want to go and check inside those foodstuffs that we got yesterday. So so this is where we are spreading clothes right now. Okay, it's raining season and rain used to fall every day by day. So this is where I wash and spread my clothes inside the house. When it's dry, I'll off it. Most times, my own is my own. Let me for my own clothes. Rain for your own clothes. Okay, for you. Don't let me beat you. Nti say no daddy gị ya akwa. And nti say your daddy will still come back and deal with you. No. So daddy will still come back and deal with you.
The next day.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking in. So on this channel I do lifestyle vlog, DIYs on how to grow your hair, your natural hair. Okay, I'm also a Nigerian YouTuber who is based in Lagos, so please consider subscribing to the channel. You will like it. Give this video a thumbs up and turn on your post notification. Our daddy is out of the house. Okay, he went to work today, so I'm supposed to be making zobo, tiger nut. I think I'm going to cut this video into different parts. Okay, the day I'll post zobo and tiger nut it will be the same. So I'm also going to be making oha soup and ogbono soup. So the day I'll cook ogbono and oha, I will make it the same video, like so that the video will not be too long. Okay, I don't want to bore you, or I don't want this channel to be boring. Then I'm making okpa today. I think I will be making okpa today. And I also want to make moi moi, but moi moi process is too much. I will not be doing that today. Okay, I have to wash, blend, do a lot of things. But anyways, come along with me. I hope you enjoy this vlog, and God bless you all as you keep watching. Make sure you watch to the end. Thank you so much. Who told you to go and take this thing? You don't have fear. Eh? You don't have fear. Who told you to go and take this thing? Ntie gị ihe na camera na asị na ntị gị ihe. Eh? Ntie gị ihe na camera na asị na ya agbago online na nneti gị ihe. And I want to cry. Oh. You don't want to cry. Then who told you? I just finished seeing this girl now. Because I feel like she's misbehaving, right? This period of time, beat it out of her. Eh? I don't want to say or do something that will make YouTube to restrict my video. Onye there well now. Who say you should take this? Your daddy. Where did you hear your daddy from? Your daddy that is not around that say you should take it. No wahala. He must still go for the day. Like you are finished drinking drink for today. So normally I give her this drink once in a day. Normally. I even try not to give her during weekends, okay, because I know that she takes it to school Monday to Friday. So I try to like let it stay. You see the reason why I want to make zobo. So I didn't mean I made zobo now. You see, this Saturday she will take. So let's bring out what we are going to use. The meat we are going to use to cook. Hey, Chineke. Ọkọmakarantị here, this drink ebe a, ya mee iji bịa were this happy hour inside this place. It's only God that will save me and you in this house. So, I want to carry this goat meat. You all remember this goat meat that my brothers got for me. So this is the meat I'll be using for the soups, okay? Why is this? The meat I'll be using for the soup. Why is this? I think I also need to cook. Our stew doesn't have fish or meat inside, so I'm also going to be making this fish as well. Okay, now look and
Oh yeah, put it. Yeah, no. Take it one. You get to the white one.
Special one.
Her egg is big. Oh.
This woman here.
Her egg is big. 5,500. Sunday market. I will give you 5,900. Oh yeah. Continue. Don't take the white one. Take small.
Down from up.
Oh yeah.
Like this. Open it. 1,